Hey, is that actually Morris?
Where?
Right there.
Hey, where?
Right there.
That's not a cat.
Oh yeah, it's a dog. I'm gonna go to his favorite place. Yeah, he's not here.
I bet he's on the window.
Where is he?
Oh, not on the window.
The pet is.
I bet you he's watching television.
Here. Oh my god, he isn't. Maybe he's in the window now looking for his girlfriend. Still isn't.
Do you think he's on the floor?
No. He never walks.
He never walks.
No, he never walks.
How does he get around?
He crawls.
Crawls how? On his belly?
Yeah.
Or on his side? I see something moving
Where?
at my feet. Could that be him?
No, that's just that dog. I'm gonna check his second favorite spot. He's not here. He's not there. Maybe his tunnel. No. Under the furnace? No. No, he isn't. There's that stupid dog.
I don't think you know what a
Sleep it.
cat looks like.
You know where he is? He's lying down.
That's him. That's him. That's
Yes.
Grab him.
There he is. Oh my god, I can't believe you can see that. That is so amazing. No, I'm just kidding. That's actually Morris. He was the dog.